let's dive into Python for web development basics, an exciting journey to build dynamic web applications. We'll focus on building interactive web applications using two powerful frameworks, Flask and Django. First, let's explore Flask, a popular Python microframework for developing web applications. Flask is known for being lightweight, incredibly flexible, and easily extensible for various projects. It boasts a minimalistic core, meaning it includes only the essential components required to run a web server. This core design focuses purely on the necessities, keeping the framework lean and efficient for developers. Flask is extensible by design, allowing you to add more features as your application grows. You can easily integrate extensions for functionalities, such as database management or user authentication. For dynamic content, Flask utilizes Jinja 2 templating, a powerful and flexible templating engine. Jinja 2 makes rendering dynamic HTML files straightforward, allowing you to create interactive web pages. Flask offers flexible routing, giving you excellent control over how URLs are handled in your application. This flexibility helps define URL routes and manage HTTP request handling precisely for various endpoints. As a microframework, Flask is designed for simplicity, offering developers more control. This design philosophy gives developers significant control over their application's entire structure and components. Now, let's look at the basic structure of a simple Flask application, step by step. We'll build a very simple Flask application to understand its fundamental components and how they work. The first step is to initialize your Flask application, which sets up the core web server. The Flask class creates your web application, and under name helps Flask locate resources properly. This code imports the Flask class and then creates an instance of your application named app. Next, we define a route, which tells Flask what to do when a specific URL is accessed. The @app route/decorator links the home function to the root URL, executing it on access. This snippet defines the root route, which simply returns hello world when visited by a user. Finally, we need to run the application, making it accessible through a web browser. This block ensures the app runs directly, and debug equals true enables development mode with auto-reloading. This code block starts the Flask development server, allowing you to test your application. Now, let's shift our focus to Django, a powerful, full-featured Python web framework. Django is often called the web framework for perfectionists with deadlines due to its efficiency. Django is a batteries-included framework, meaning it comes with many built-in features. It provides an ORM, authentication system, and an admin panel right out of the box for convenience. Django strongly adheres to the DRY principle, which stands for Don't Repeat Yourself. This principle promotes efficient, maintainable code by avoiding redundant programming efforts. Django follows the Model Template View (MTV) architectural pattern for clear organization. This pattern ensures a clear separation of concerns, making your application structured and manageable. A significant feature of Django is its powerful, built-in administrative interface. It automatically generates an interface for easily managing your application's data and content. Django's design is highly scalable, making it suitable for large and complex applications. It's specifically built for larger, intricate applications that demand robust features and performance. Let's now compare Flask versus Django, two prominent Python web frameworks, to understand their distinct characteristics and uses. The goal is to help you choose the right framework that best suits your specific project requirements and development goals. First, let's explore Flask, which is known for its lightweight and micro-framework approach to web development. Flask is ideal for creating small, simple applications or building individual microservices within a larger system efficiently. It offers developers significant control and flexibility, allowing for highly customized features and specific implementations. Choose Flask when extensive built-in tools are not a priority and you prefer to select components yourself. Now, let's look at Django, a full-stack framework that provides a comprehensive set of tools for web development. Django is well-suited for large, complex applications that require rapid development and robust out-of-the-box features. It provides extensive built-in functionalities, including an ORM, an admin interface, and user authentication systems. Django enforces a strict structure and conventions, guiding developers towards best practices and consistent project organization. So, why should we use web frameworks in our development process? Let's explore the key advantages they offer. Web frameworks are designed to streamline development, making the process faster and enhancing the quality of applications. One major benefit is significantly improved development efficiency, helping you build applications more quickly. Frameworks simplify the development process by providing reusable components, so you don't have to code everything from scratch. They reduce the need to write repetitive boilerplate code, allowing you to focus on unique application logic. Ultimately, using web frameworks accelerates project delivery timelines, getting your applications to users faster. Another crucial aspect is enhancing application quality, ensuring your web applications are robust and reliable. Frameworks enhance security with built-in protections against common vulnerabilities, making your applications safer. They promote scalability and maintainability through modular design, making applications easier to grow and update. Frameworks encourage best practices and consistent coding patterns, leading to cleaner, more organized and readable code. Let's walk through the essential steps to create a simple Flask application, from setup to your first web page. We'll cover everything from installing Flask to successfully running and adding styling to your very first web page. First, you need to install Flask. You can easily do this by typing pip install Flask in your terminal. Next, create your project structure by organizing files into static / templates / and your main app .py file. Then, write your Flask application. This involves defining routes, views, and all your application logic in app .py. After that, create your HTML templates, design home, HTML and contact, HTML inside the templates / directory. To run your application, simply execute Python app .py from your terminal and Flask will start its server. Finally, add CSS styling. Link your style CSS file from the static / folder to enhance your HTML templates. Let's visualize the typical interaction flow within a web application, understanding how clients and servers communicate. It all starts with a client request, where your web browser sends a message to the server, asking for information. Next, the server receives request, meaning the web server acknowledges and accepts the incoming communication from the client. If it's a GET request, the server will process GET request to retrieve data, like displaying a web page. If it's a POST request, the server will process POST request to handle data submission, such as a form entry. After processing, the server will generate response, creating the appropriate content or action to send back. Finally, the server sends response, delivering the generated content back to the client's browser for display. All right, let's now bring everything together with a concise summary of what we've learned. Here are the key takeaways and essential points for getting started with Python for web development. Remember, web frameworks such as Flask and Django significantly simplify the entire process of web application development. Flask stands out as a lightweight microframework, providing excellent flexibility, especially for smaller web projects. In contrast, Django is a full-featured framework, offering a batteries-included approach for larger, more complex applications. These frameworks offer reusable components, significantly enhance security, and are designed to promote scalability for your applications. Crucially, understanding HTTP requests and responses is absolutely vital for building interactive web applications effectively. Finally, basic Flask applications involve defining routes, rendering templates to the user, and handling various forms.